Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also, put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Nigerians, not people spend like, we are finished. They are my age and above. We are gone. I believe that's why I say I'm addressing the age of between 23 to 18 to 23 or so. Those of you who are voting for the first time. We believe that you people will take us to the moon. My generation have failed. We couldn't take Nigeria to the moon. Look at what India is doing. Look at what countries that we are doing now at independence. And I say for us to get to the moon, that's a special area. And you need to expose your best brains. And I came up with a special scholarship that you first of all must make a first class in your university. We have scholarship for everybody, but for that one, you first of all make a first class from your university. Then we test and take the first class of the first class and send them to the best 25 universities, the best 25 universities in the world. Can somebody who has no plan do that? Can somebody who has no plan for the future do that? Can somebody who does not think about the Nigerian youth do that? Do you want to go back to those days where they have no plans for us? You will ask some of those people who are deceiving you now. They have hired some people from outside this country to go and to the social media, tell all kinds of lies, offering bits and promising you. Ask them, when they were in power, did they build nursery school for anybody? Ask them. Ask them. I say, go and ask them. If they did not build nursery school for anybody, what did they use our money for? They build prisons. They build prisons for you, I build universities for you. I'll build universities for you, I'll build secondary schools for you, I'll build primary schools for you. They talk about insecurity, that they will fight insecurity. And you ask, are our armed forces weak? Are the Nigerians in the armed forces weak? If we have problems, what is the cause? Equipment. They don't have platforms. And somebody who wakes up and tells young people of 23 years old that he wants to fight insecurity, ask him, when he was the head of government, did he buy one rifle for a Nigerian soldier? These people did not buy anything for the Nigerian soldiers. They refuse to equip them. Everything dead, no attack helicopters, nothing. Ask them what they did with the defense budget. Ask them what they did with their defense budget, that the whole time they were in office, they couldn't equip. No country equip armed forces overnight, because what they use are quite expensive. Armed forces are built over the years. No one person. Because even if you spend $10 billion today, you cannot equip the Air Force, equip the Navy, equip the Army. The capacity is built over a period of time. They refuse to build the capacity. They instigated crisis, and now they are telling us they will come to fight. Ask them, and they will answer. We have arrested more people within this period. We have done more convictions within this period, but every day they tell us lie. But at this point, let me apologize to some Nigerian federal civil servants who did not receive their salaries in December early enough. And I'll tell you what happened. I apologize to those families that suffered, because we believe, and I believe, that for you to fight corruption, you must take measures, establish and strengthen institutions. You don't just wake up and enter the street and arrest one person and lock up and show on television and say you're fighting corruption. If they have succeeded in fighting corruption, corruption wouldn't have been with us today. If they have set up structures, and especially the days of modern science and technology using ICT to manage resources, we wouldn't have been talking about corruption today. What happened in December? Because of what we call IPIS. It's a software for processing salary packages. Because sometimes people steal through salaries. And some federal government agencies, including some ministries, try to divert funds to pay some kind of allowances. And the system is scientific, it's not human being. And as long as money meant for the salary, you attempt to divert it for anything, it shuts you down. And those departments of government were shut down. This is the only way you can prevent corruption.
What Nigerians want now, you Sowore, what are you going to do? How you are going to become the president? You should busy yourself. How your AAC will be, people will be talking about you the way people are talking about Obi. If not, go and join Obi and stop making noise. Go and join Obi. This is what you did last time they gave you, 10,000. Nigeria, before you become Nigeria president, you need 15 million, at least 15 million votes. Your 10,000 group, 10,000 people voted for you, I'll be 15,000, I don't know, voted for you. You can't be president of Nigeria even with 10 million. So all this, your noise, it will take us to anywhere. There is this nonsense Fulani man who want power to remain in the north. The brother Fulani, Buhari is in power. Atiku wants to come back. You don't focus on those Atiku, how to demarket Atiku. You busy yourself with Obasanjo, who try to be relevant, who want to do grandfather thing, writing keke for, leave Obasanjo alone. Obasanjo is not coming back. Focus on Atiku, demarket Atiku with your platform. The way you demarket Goodluck Jonathan before. You see, my own is to advise. Let me tell you, your brother, Tinubu, I think is in France now, fighting for his life. Maybe he's there to take drip and take injection. That man is sick. To focus on that now. But for me, I better vote for a sick southern man. The North, no, I don't hate the North. I don't hate the North. But power, Fulani cannot hand over to another Fulani. It will be disastrous. I am warning Nigerians. It is unacceptable. It is unacceptable. It doesn't matter the grammar they speak. It is unacceptable. The PDP zoning formula, they cancelled it. These people use money. People gang up against their own brother from the south. Against Wike. I'm not saying Wike is a saint. But a southern governor like Obaseki Demokowa, they gang up against their own fellow south because they have some political misunderstanding. So that a full anima would take power. And that is where I am saying that can never happen. That can never happen. We must campaign. We must begin to warn Nigerians. Fulani will continue to come to the south. Fulani Esme. They will continue to demand land. You remember what the tweet he removed? He tweeted that he condemned how those boys killed that Christian girl. Because of the people were not happy. His old people were not happy. He removed the tweet. That is a message that when give this article power, he will be worse than Buhari. No, it will be worse than Buhari. That is what I stand for. So Sowore, don't worry. You love like people like Jonathan. When you criticize them, makes you happy. Up to today, you still criticize Jonathan. When it is obvious, it is very clear that Jonathan government, people wish if Jonathan can come back self. Because Jonathan government, things were not as bad as the way things are now. You that is criticizing Obasanjo, for instance, you brought Buhari to power with your Sahara reporter. You think Nigerians are, you can sweep all those things under the carpet? People still hate. It is on your Sahara reporter war. You posted it there and criticizing Obasanjo. Go and read the comment there. People are insulting you there, including your own fellow Yorubas. Obasanjo is not what you're supposed to be talking about. You to tell us why they should vote for you. Tell us how your AAC is going to win this presidential election that is coming. That is what you're supposed to be telling us. Not all these you're criticizing those that is not. You brought Buhari. You imposed Buhari on us with your Sahara reporter nonsense. My brother, you should be fighting Atiku. Not fight anybody. Don't even fight Obi. Don't fight Obi. I know Obi is not perfect. Obi is not perfect. Obi is also a criminal. I know. Including you. You are also a criminal. Yeah, because you collected money, millions from them APC. You didn't work for them for free. They paid you. That is the reason why after the election, they kick you. And this is a question that bring back our guests. They kick all of you out because you are all sellout. So focus on the candidate, Atiku. I don't even want you to even criticize or Tinubu self. You know, everybody fighting for their own interest. My interest is power come to the south. Why? Not because I know maybe that person will go to change Nigeria to, you know, come and look like Dubai or London or France. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying, at least, let the people have sense of belongings and say that country is for every one of us, not for the Fulanis alone, not for the Hausas alone, not for the Yorubas and not for the Igbos alone. It's for everybody. You rule, others will rule. If you want who the cap fit should always go there, you know, then restructure that country. A Fulani man will never restructure that country.